Hey guys, welcome back to Rune 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Rune Factory 5 for the PC. Today I'm running this on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX 570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory, and I'm running the game at 1080p maximum settings. I have to say that because it doesn't actually let me tell you what I'm running it at unless I show you it before I launch the game, which is rather stupid once again for the damn launchers. Hate the launchers, nonetheless. So it's 1080p max settings. Obviously, this is a very low-end game. This is gonna run on anything. I will test it on the Intel HD 4600. I'm trying to be careful. It seems like my headset has some issues, so I need to be careful with how I move. Otherwise, my headset may get cut off, which is gonna suck. Because then my audio is gonna be like cutting in and out, and I don't know if it is or not. But hey, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. There's a lot of cutscenes and a lot of stuff to skip and stuff, so it's not going to be much for me about here. But just know that out in the village area, it runs at a constant 60 on the entire 540, so that's not a very demanding area. Even the village is not a demanding area. I just want people to understand the village is not a demanding area. Just keep that in mind. But here we are walking around, and as you can see, we're still getting over 100 FPS. It's gonna play at 1080 max all day long. All day. I have been noticing some stutters though. We have been getting some crazy stutters, I won't lie. They are getting some stutters. I'm only using 1200 megabytes for my VRAM as well. I told myself not to turn, but I keep turning. It's ridiculous. How about I don't look out? What do you think about that? Like I said, I don't expect this to be a very demanding game in no regard. We're only using 4 gigs of VRAM, 4 gigs of RAM. This is a very simple game to sit down and play. I don't know specifically, like but we are getting some frame drops. The frame times are not consistent. I don't exactly know what's the issue there, but it's definitely not consistent. You may need to cap this. But hey, this is a benchmark, so I just wanted to show you guys how this ran. Anyway, I'm just gonna mute myself now. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. It works.
Today's the day. Every journey begins with a single step. You can do it, Priscilla. The heck? Huh? Huh? Yay! Thank goodness.
You! How can I ever repay you?
Whoa!
Hey now, what are you doing to my patient?
Hey!
Well, I'm here now. I'm this town's doctor. No, if you don't have any difficulty.
I'm really sorry. Yes.
Hey!
What should I do? What to do?
Hey now, what are you saying? Hina's hero?
Absolutely not.
What?
Honestly.
Nuh-uh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, thanks.